The great inventions, the technological developments were freeing men from ancient drudgery, were leading to advances material, social, cultural, beyond the bounds of imagination.
History is shaped in moments. And some of them change everything. Moments that changed what we believed was possible. Moments that drove us forward, sometimes way ahead.
This was the telephone.
Some moments fade, others stay and become part of who we are.
Beyond the bounds of imagination.
In 1927, our first electrolyzer took shape in Norway. And one of those moments became reality.
Here we see the electrolyzer cell.
A small beginning with great impact. Not just for a company, but for an industry.
Electrolyzers spread over many countries.
Since then, there have been thousands more. Systems running, learning, improving, decade after decade, teaching us what works, teaching us what doesn't, and teaching us what matters most. Creating a path for the way ahead. Now we have turned everything we have learned into what comes next. Compact enough to be transported by truck, robust enough to operate outdoors in all kinds of weather, and with significantly lower system cost, smaller footprint, and industry-leading efficiency, we're lowering the levelized cost of hydrogen and unlocking new business cases not previously viable. A system shaped by a century of moments, big and small, refined, proven, and ready for the world. History is shaped in moments. This is one of them. This is the way ahead.